morning. Today we're bringing you a product from Better Boat. It is the Better Boat cutting board. If you have a need for a bait prep station as well as a fillet table, this is the cutting board that does it all. So come on in, we'll take a look at it. Comes with 3 slats where you can put your knives in and it holds them securely. So basically we just put everything that we need for bait prep right inside, and has 2 spacious areas where you can put fish pinchers right inside. This cutting board is also fully adjustable. It comes with 2 adjustment knobs right here and up above. Once you have it locked in to the position that you desire, you are good to go. The cutting board also comes with a built-in roller. The dimensions of this is 18 by 14 and about 2/3 that's there. So it gives you adequate space, especially for bait prep. That's what we like to use it for. That and some small filleting of fish up to 18 inches. This cutting board is made out of marine grade plastic. It will hold up, very tough, and it is a good, sturdy, stable cutting board to work off of. If you're inside, as we are, in our marina or outside in actual fishing conditions, it'll hold tight, especially when you have this bushing locked in. As you can see, it's not moving around at all. And I do like that you can always have your knives right up there. If you're looking for a reliable, durable, and functional cutting board, the Better Boat cutting board is definitely a product that you would definitely be interested in. So thanks for joining us. We'll see you on our next review, and we will talk to you soon. Goodbye now. Better Boat Bilge Cleaner. This Better Boat Premium Bilge Cleaner is made to remove grease, oil, and fuel buildup from boats' bilges. It's a marine grade concentrate designed for heavy duty cleaning and regular fiberglass maintenance. Easy to use, effective, and built specifically for boats. Also environmentally friendly. Follow all directions. Hey, good morning. We are bringing you another product from the Better Boat Company. And today we have the new 5-pound slip ring anchor. And this is pretty nice. It comes in 3 different sizes. It will take care of boats from 15 foot to 28 foot. It is solid galvanized, real lightweight in the sense of 5 pounds, but a good, in my opinion, a good secondary anchor. It's good for freshwater and for saltwater, and all you really have to do is hook a thimble to the ring back here and get yourself a 3/8 braided anchor line and connect them all together, and you can use it in all different types of conditions. We like to use this as just a secondary anchor system on the stern of our boat, just basically to hold it into position. So another great product from Better Boat. As you can see, very easy to store, and you can keep it for when the time comes, or if you're close to the shore, you can just throw the anchor off. It will dig into the sand and hold you nice and secure so you can enjoy it. Better Boat cleaning wipes. Boat seats looking rough? These Better Boat cleaner wipes clean fast and protect with UV in one step. Safe for marine, vinyl, boat seats, dashboards, consoles, inside or out. No sprays, no mess. These don't just clean, they help protect against sun damage that cracks and fades your interior. Available in 40 or 80 wipes. Toss them in the boat, truck, or RV and clean anytime. Hey, good morning. Coming to you from the beautiful Gulf of America. And today we have a couple products from one of my favorite companies, the Better Boat Company. And this one is a Better Scrub Glove. Wait till you see this thing. Normally we're using rags, we're using just brush and bowls, but I love this thing for this reason. You can get really aggressive with this. Now, the thing I will say to you, I don't know what surface that you have, but it's probably better to do a test sample on it. But this thing is awesome. It just gives you an abrasion to really get in dried baits, squid, anything, and really tough stains that you can be aggressive with it. And fits at pretty big hands, so it will fit nicely. And especially here on our gel coat, it's like texture, so you can get right after it and boom, stains are gone. Another great way that we use this product is also on our RV. Over a period of time, when your RV sits, it just gets a lot of accumulated dirt on it. So again, with this aggressive pad and some real good cleaner, nice hose, you are good to go. It can also be used on kayaks, canoes, and tires. It has multiple uses, but again, really good. Hey, thanks for watching as I put this Better Boat gear to the test. Every product you saw in this video is available on Amazon. Just check the link below to shop the full list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment with your favorite piece of gear. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you on the next video. Goodbye now.